Welcome back everyone. In this video we are going to learn about elements. So in our project interface we get option called elements. It is next to templates. So just click on the elements. In elements we get like line and shape, graphics, stickers, photos, vectors, gradients, frames, grid, you name it, we get everything. We can search directly from here also, and these are some tags. You can directly click on it and it will show you some result like this one. Okay, so first let's go with shapes. So we all know what is shape, like a pentagon, hexagon, octagon, circle, and like we get like lots of circles, star shapes, all the like kind of shapes we have in the shape section, and also as well as some lines like this one and also this one. Next option is graphics. So what are graphics? Graphics are some graphic templates or graphic images which you can use in your designs. Like let's say this is the Christmas tree and you are designing something about Christmas, then you can use these graphics in your videos. After that we have gradient. So what gradient does is that most of the time we use gradient for like backgrounds. Let's set this to the background. So it is set at the background. Let's send it back. So as you can see, we can use gradient as a background, or you can use like only for text, making this gradient small, and you can add multiple shapes on it, and you can add a text like this one, like this. You can add your text like this to make your design more appealing to watch. In graphics we also get some stickers, like we already know what stickers are. Like it is just a GIF kind of files, and we can add that. It is really cool. If you want, you can. It is like depend on your project. If you want to add, you can add it. Like in this case, I think New Year is coming soon, so we can add this New Year sticker like this one. Okay, so after that we get photos. You can access photos from here also. Like we have dedicated separate photo section over here, as well as you can also element from the element. Now Canva supports video editing, so you can also add a bunch of videos like this one. So it looks really cool, I guess, on the text. After that we have charts. Let's say you want to make some infographic videos or infographic template presentation or photo, then you can use charts. Like let's say you want to say about this year we made like a profit up to like 90%, or we gained something like let's say you have a product. Let's say I sell lots of courses on lots of platform. I can convert that values into like this chart. Let's say I started in 2018, so it will be 2018, 19, 20, 21, 22, and after that I can add like how much courses I add and how much percentage of sales I had in last year. So that's how you can use charts. So in charts we get like a lots of option, like you can add elements over here. As you can see, you can add multiple charts, like in the circle form, in this bar form, in the pie chart. So there are like lots of options. You can add the charts. Okay, now so we have like really cool two things which I use a lot because it helps me a lot to create my project really quick and easy. Let's say you want to create one template like this one, and you have that. In that you have lots of images, and you want to use this template again and again. You don't want to like make all the things from the scratch. Then you can use grids. So what grid does is that if you have like photos like this one, and your first project is about like astronaut, then you can add multiple images of astronaut from here, like this one. This is our space. You can adjust it by double click on it like this. And okay, let me add this one also. So I use this premium image, so that's why it is giving me that watermark. I can expand this like this, but as you can see the image is like moving according to my mouse cursor. But I want to scale still, then I can press shift on my keyboard, then it will automatically gonna hold that frame size for me, and after that I can scale however I want, like this one. Like let's say my first design is about like astronaut, then I can use this template. And let's say my next design is about like cars, then I can just drag and drop my images like this, like this. All the images I just change in the within like a few seconds. Also with this one, and now I can add text at the end like this one. Now my design is ready, like cars, something else. So that's how you can use grids to create really awesome designs within a few hours or within a few minutes. The next option is frame. It is really close to like grids, but it has shapes in it. Like in grids, we get like a square boxes. In that we can add lots of images. It is like collage, but in frames it is different. You can add image on the shape like this one. Let's say you have an image of some people. Let me search some people. Okay, so we have this image of people. We can add like this. As you can see, it automatically fits on to that circle. You can also crop it or you can adjust it on this like this. So that's how you can use frames. So frames are also important and grids are also important. So thing is to remember is that on frames we get like multiple shapes, and in grids we get like square boxes where we can add multiple images. So those are all the options, or those are all the features we are getting with Elements. So that's it for today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one.